thunderstorm warning. Northwestern Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania. Southern Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 9:45 p.m. At 8:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source 49. Power lines if possible. Locations and tactics include Philadelphia, Kansas, Wilmington, Gloucester City, Cherry Hill, Chester, Deptford, Voorhees, West Bedford, Elmore, Clayton, Carneys Point, and Berlin. This includes the following highways. New Jersey Turnpike between exits 1 and 3. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile marker 0 and 22. Interstate 95 in Delaware between mile marker 7 and 23. Interstate 76 in New Jersey between mile markers 5 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 36. Interstate 676 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 4. Interstate 476 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 2. Atlantic City Expressway between mile markers 30 and 40.